If Dad thinks training this child will waste 2 hours, he'll save his dad 1 hour and 59 minutes.
What?
No, that's her toy. Are you trying to make a trade? Good trading! Good boy!
The reason humans don't need to spend money on nail salons.
Come here, Gus. Gus, come.
Go this way. Go away. Go away. Good, here. Go throw it away.
Don't wonder why this house is always clean, because there's an extremely dedicated housekeeper like this.
Good, shut this door. Shut it. Good boy.
Here, take it to Mommy. Go, take it to Mommy. Mommy's over there. Go on. I'm not going out in that rain. Go on, take it to Mommy. It's raining.
Shippers can't work 24/7, but this child is ready in any situation.
Remy. Sit. Sit.
When a health expert advised him to always reheat food to stay healthy, he did so. Sign this dude up for Who Can Overcome the Obstacles Fastest contest.
Wait a minute.
You can do it. Come on. Say, Elsie showed you how to get down. Come on. Show her how to get down, Elsie. Come on, Opal. Just like that. Good girl.
Because of his understanding, he knows the bestie's heart needs to be comforted. The friendship that everyone dreams of.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
It seems like this gate designer needed to create a stronger lock. Why do besties have to use teddy bears when the real version's here? Maturity is when this buddy realizes the importance of money in life. Lady, you are never alone. If soulmate needs some sympathy for her situation, this boy is always ready. A shining example of maturity, devotion, and love for parents.
At least someone's working for treats around here.
이거 이거. 이거 이거 이거. 이거 이거.
Human's purpose is not effective when applied to a boy with an IQ of 200.
Raid, can you give? Thank you. Thank you. Hold? No, is that how we hold? Thank you. Okay. Good boy.
Leaders are not determined by age, but by responsibility.
All right, go.
Sit. Spin. Sit. Down. Roll over. Up. Sit. Paw. No. Sit. Paw. Good. High five.
This professor needs to open a class on how to control body immediately.
Mom has to go to work. No cuddles. Yes, soon work. Mom has work soon.
Helping his mother do housework is a thank you for taking care of him carefully. If you wonder what kind of employee every business owner needs. A good nanny is not only dedicated, but also talented like this. One of the effective ways to avoid going to school is to pretend to be asleep. With a manager like this, rest assured that human sheep are always well protected.
B, the bus is here.
No exemplary student wants to be late for school. Girl, don't think I don't know what you're doing. Thank you very much, and best wishes to everyone.